Custom fields are a great way for you to capture information about your members and also help them to connect with each other. To create a custom field, you'll go to Admin, Create Field, and then from there you'll select the type. You can have a single select, which means that they can only select one answer from a drop-down menu. Multi-select means that they can answer multiple or select multiple options from a drop-down. Short text means that their answer needs to be 255 characters or less, and then long text has a maximum of 2,000 characters. So this is a hiking community. I'm going to choose short text because I want to know what everybody's favorite hike is. So I'm going to call this favorite hike, and the description is what is your favorite hike? And then the placeholder is what you would like as a response. So this, for example, is Half Dome. So it could be any kind of suggested response. And then click Next Configure. There's no additional configuration needed for short text. If I chose dropdown, there would be some additional configuration here. And then I'm going to choose Next Privacy. Public means that everybody in the network can see the responses. Private means that only the host, moderators, and responding member can see the responses. I'm going to make this public because I want everybody to see everyone's responses. And then I'm going to click Create Field. At first, it will be hidden. So I will need to make it visible by selecting this right here. And once I click Make Visible, I have the option to notify my members. I'm going to go ahead and notify them so you can see what that notification looks like. Inside of this edits page here, you can see the responses. So once the responses show up here, you'll be able to sort them by these different fields here. And you can also edit some of these fields as well. So the name, the description, and also the placeholder. So I'm going to show you what it looks like to receive a notification. So the notification to add the custom field is right here in my bell icon. And if I click it here, it'll take me right to my profile where I can add in my favorite hike, which I will choose Half Dome, and then click Save. And that's custom fields.